Chapter 8 Introduction to Coding with Scratch 3.0. To know in this chapter: Programming in Scratch, how to move the sprite, drawing shapes in Scratch. Scratch is a programming language for children. You can create your own games, animations, and projects on Scratch and store them for further use. The interface of Scratch is very friendly and easy to understand. You give commands to the program. When you click on these commands, a character called Sprite performs those functions. This is how the program Scratch 3 offline editor looks like. Menu bar, tabs, title bar, blocks menu, blocks palette, scripts area, view full screen, sprite, stage, scripts list, new sprite, new backdrop. Sprite is an animated character that performs all the functions that we enter into the Scratch program. There are many different characters of Sprite stored in the program. However, Cat is the default sprite in Scratch. Code, costumes, and sounds are the three tabs on Scratch. The Code tab opens up new options like motion, looks, sound, control, etc. Each option further opens new blocks on the blocks palette. The Costumes tab changes the way the sprite looks, and the Sounds tab is used to insert sound into an animation. The Blocks menu under the Scripts tab contains different tools and commands under groups to change the appearance and style of the sprite, along with enabling it to perform different functions. The Blocks palette displays the different commands that you can use to do your work on Scratch. It contains the set of blocks which are used to give instructions to Sprite to perform tasks. The Scripts area is the blank area on the right side of the program window where you drop the command blocks after dragging them from the Blocks palette in a stepwise manner. A group of blocks make a script. The script can also be called a program. The first step. Let's try to move the sprite a little. Drag the block, move 10 steps from the blocks palette and drop it on the scripts area. Click on the block in the scripts area. You will find that the sprite has moved to the right by 10 steps. Now, drag the second block to the scripts area just below the two blocks will now join together to form a script. Keep clicking on any block. You will find that the sprite is moving 10 steps and then turning in clockwise direction by 15 degrees every time you click. Edit the block. You can also edit the numbers inside the instruction block. For example, we can change from 1 to 20 or 30 as we want. Click on the numeric value in the block. Change to 20 steps. Drag the block to the scripts area. Double-click on it. How to draw a square on Scratch. To draw a square, you need to go to 100 steps straight. Then, take a right where the sprite has to turn clockwise by 90 degrees. This step needs to be repeated 4 times. But before that, you need to put your pen to work. Not your pencil or pen, but the pen of Scratch. Go to Add Extension option to add pen group from the next menu, and then open pen group to drag the pen down block to the scripts area. Then go back to the motion group and drag and turn the scripts area. Change 10 steps to 100 and 15 degrees to 90 degrees. To make the square colorful, let's change the color of each side. So, go back to the pen group and select the block. Now start clicking on the script. You will see that the sprite is making a colorful square. Now, change the number of steps from 100 to 200 in the scripts area. Let everything else remain the same. Now, start clicking multiple times. The sprite has now made a bigger square. Keep clicking on the script. The colors will keep changing. Clear the stage. Click on Pen Group from the Blocks menu. Click on Erase All from the Blocks palette. All the designs made on the stage will be erased. Dragging the sprite. At the moment, the sprite is in the top left corner. To make it return back to the center, left click on it and drag it to the center. You can also drag it to your desired place on the stage. Deleting the script. Even after the designs on the stage are erased and the sprite has been dragged to the center, the scripts are still there on the scripts area. Follow the steps to delete the script. Left click on the top block of the script, that is the pen down block. Drag the top block along with the entire script back to the blocks palette. The entire script will be deleted. Note: if you want to delete any particular block, right click on it and select the delete block option. This way only the selected block will be deleted. How to draw a circle on Scratch? Let's draw this one together. First, we will put the pen down to write. From the pen group, drag block to the scripts area. Next, you need to enter the pen size to 5. So drag to the scripts area and change the size from 1 to 5. Now you want to make it colorful also. So drag the block. Now enter the steps. Go to motion group and drag the move 10 steps block to the scripts area. Edit the numeric value and make it 20. Now we need to make the sprite go round so that it makes the circle. Drag the block from the blocks palette to the scripts area. Our script is now complete. Start clicking. Saving the file. Click on the File menu. Select the Save option. In the file name box, write Circle. Click on Save. The file will be stored on the desktop with the name Circle. After that, click on the Close button and exit the program. Revise with TUK. Scratch is an easy-to-use programming language. Games, animations and projects can be made in Scratch. Sprite is an animated character that performs all the functions that we enter into the Scratch program. Cat is the default sprite character of the Scratch program. There are many other inbuilt sprite characters available as well. You can also make your own sprite character in Scratch. The scripts area is the blank area on the right side of the program window where you drop the command blocks after dragging them from the blocks palette in a stepwise manner. A group of blocks make a script. The script can also be called a program. The motion blocks menu contains the blocks to move the sprite in any direction. To erase the stage, use the clear block from the pen group.